In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process of doing online surveys that you need to take advantage of right now. Because if you can remember back a few years, you remember when running a survey meant joining your spreadsheets, begging people to respond, and spending your weekend analyzing data. Well, it's 2025. It's time for a change, and surveys just got way smarter. So let me walk you through how to use one right now. Surveys should do a couple things for me. Number one, give you awesome quality insights, no fluff. Two, requires zero manual data crunching because let's be honest, life is too short for spreadsheets. Three, be fun and engaging so people actually finishing them instead of running away from screaming. And lastly, and most importantly, be budget friendly. Free is my favorite price. The tool that make it happen after trying many options, probably too many honestly, I finally found one that checks all the boxes. It's AI driven, user friendly, and yes, there's even a free option. Let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how easy it is. Here's how quickly you can create survey using this tool. This is free. Just go sign up a free account. Let's run a few surveys quickly together. Let's say you want to run a NPS survey. Then what we can do here is go to their library, NPS Net Promoter Score. How likely are you going to recommend my business to your friends and families? Is here. If you want to run customer satisfaction survey, CSAT. How satisfied were you with my company or your service or today's call is available? What happens if you want to run product market fit score, PMFs? How would you feel if you could no longer use my company? You can see it. There's a lot of library that you can actually pick industry standard survey questions to get off the back. What I really like is besides these scores, these numbers that tell me a fraction of what's happening with my users, you can instruct the AI to dive in deeper and ask follow-on questions. So in this case, typically I would do one follow-up question in multiple survey questions. If you're just asking one question, you can dive in 2+. And that's when I say the high quality insights is not that the score because only tell part of the picture, but the context, why people do that is actually more important. I got the perfect qualitative and quantitative in one. It's like I'm getting the result just like a one-on-one interview conversation with my customers, but at the scale and easiness of a survey. So that's why when I say it must give me quality insights, no fluff. And they said that's this perfectly. Okay, now you're saying, what if I want to do custom surveys? Okay, this is even easier. So it has an AI built into it. So you can see there's AI prompter. Let me see if I want to build a kind of onboarding survey, what do I need to do? All you need to do is tell the AI your learning goal. I want to understand user experience and challenges during onboarding to improve ease of use and support. So now I'm just click draft survey because AI already understands your business and will based on your goal to design different questions for it. And then here you go. What I do is I will publish this and put it in my CRM with my HTML code snippet. I'm done. So the benefit of that is the first question of your surveys will show up in the body of the email, and this typically will double your response rate. So I really like this method. Let's say you want to do employee survey, right? Let's make sure the team is not planning on immunity. Let's go for it. So again, same thing. You go into the they said, create a survey and tell the AI your learning goal. I just want to understand employee satisfaction with our new working in office policy. What can we do to improve? Okay, so let's see what the AI will come back. Here we go. It created some question with some rating scales, open-ended question, multiple ranking question. That's actually really great. And then for me, I'm just going to copy the link and paste it in my company Slack channel and Teams channel, and I'm done. Also, I put together a free survey template packed for you. It has all the common survey questions like NPS, CSAT, product market fit questions, onboarding, feature feedback, exit interviews, AI win-loss, HR, employee feedback, even template for you to hire your employee using AI interviews, you name it. And this is specifically for AI. So you just copy and paste the question into the latest AI survey creator and you are off the race. Link in the description below. Happy surveying. Let's try one more and move on. So what happens if you want to do an event? Do people get a blast attending your event or secretly they're scrolling their Instagram? They're not getting value, okay? So same thing, what you would do is you go in and you tell the AI what you want to learn. I want to learn how much value people are walking away attending our workshop. What can we improve? Who else in their team should they join? I'm just trying to figure out if we can bring in any multi-thread team and stakeholders to join my event. And here we go. That's really good question. And for this particular one, I can make some changes or I can just publish with a QR code at the end of my presentation to gather real-time feedback when the customers are still there and chit-chatting, and they can do it on their phone by speaking to the survey. See? Seconds, not hours. Your coffee stays hot and your stress stays low. Now the magic really kicks in. AI crunches the number instantly, provide clear summaries, emotions, and even tell you what to do next. It's like having your own personal survey wizard. You have the reportings, you have the insight that summarize your studies and the evidence to support it. You can dive in and dive out the contact. The AI will actually summarize action items. Your team can cross them out and do them one by one. And then again, you can also get a sentiment read, summary of each one and size of conversation, and easily share with your team the conversation you just see. That's it. So easy. And that's how easy surveys has become in 2025. If you're curious to try it yourself, there's a link below to get started with a free account. Just head to theysaid.io. Now, the next logic step is to actually learn how to interpret this survey results. So click here to watch the next video where I walk through exactly how to analyzing results from a survey this year, so you can maximize the effectiveness of each one of your surveys. In that video, I go into survey and analysis with pretty good depth. You will learn exactly what I think when I personally analyzing those results. Even if you are expert, you will learn a lot and you will realize what kind of gold mine we're sitting on in terms of AI analysis. See you over there.